Hi guys! Kwentuhan tayo for today. So guys, I just went to my classmate's birthday party today because it's his birthday, of course. So,
what did you have?
So,
What did you do?
Yung pagkain namin doon, meron silang spaghetti, meron pa silang shrimp, guys. Ang sarap kaya ng shrimp nila. But shrimp is masarap naman in general. And they also have...
Favorite mo?
Yes, but I have other favorite foods. They also have chicken, of course. There's always chicken in every party. So, kumain lang kami, pero nagbaraha rin kami. Nagdala ako ng cards, guys. And of course, chika-chika and chismis with classmates.
Anong pinagchismisan niyo?
Secret! Hindi ko sasabihin, guys. It's chismis, so secret.
I think it's about your crushes,
No!
gano'n?
Crush na naman ng crush. I don't want to bring him up here, guys. Study first, guys. So, anyways.
Nag-enjoy naman kayo?
Yeah. So, may nag-away dun, guys. So, nakakabad mood talaga yung away dun sa birthday party. Birthday party. May nag-aawayan. Grabe naman, guys. So, anyways, we are on the way. We just picked up my mom from her office. So, we are on the way to the groceries.
Anong groceries?
We are on the way to Pure Gold, pero green naman.
Kasi mag-weekend groceries.
Yes, we are going to have our weekend groceries. Guys, nandito na kami. We are on our way to Pure Gold, pero green. So guys, how's your weekend naman? Update naman, guys. My weekend has been pretty good with the birthday party and yan lang, normal lang, guys. And my school, wala naman. Pero naka-high score naman ako sa recitation noong Friday. So, yan lang. Okay guys, I will give the phone to my mom.
Hi guys. Welcome to Queen's Chronicle. Yeah. We're on our way to a grocery store. Babe. I feel tired and sleepy. Sarap na matulog. I want to make a pasta. May nakita kasi ako kaninang picture, parang nakakagutom. I'm hungry. Wala akong snack. Hindi ka pa nag-birthday ka. Okay guys, malapit na kami.
Okay guys, malapit na kami.